Yep, it's in there.
Okay, where is it here? Okay, there it go. Page 112. Here it is right here. The Cowboy cough syrup. It gives you all the ingredients listed right here in this section here. And then if you go towards the right, it gives you all of the instructions on exactly how to make it. And it also gives you the dosage to take. It also shows this right here. It also shows this right here, and even this right here, and many more. This is the Forgotten Home Apothecary book. It has 250 remedies at your fingertip. The table of content is literally set up like a medicine cabinet. All you have to do is just look for the remedy you're looking for, and then you find what you need. This is a great resource that every household needs to have. The only issue, it does keep selling out. So if the link is showing down below, hurry and grab it while you still